Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from your old device onto your Samsung Galaxy A26. To do it, go to the Smart Switch app, which most probably will be in the Samsung folder, then click on More, Continue, More, Allow, and now click on Receive on this phone. Then select the source, either Galaxy or Android phone, or iPhone or iPad. I'm gonna select the Android phone. Then you can do it either wirelessly or with a cable. I'm gonna do it wirelessly because it's gonna be more universal, but if you have a cable that'll fit both of your devices, then you may want to connect it. It'll make it much quicker and much easier. Although I'm gonna select the wireless, and then I don't have Smart Switch on my old device, so I'm gonna click on Get Smart Switch. Then I'm gonna select other Android phone or tablet because it's not a Samsung Galaxy phone that I have. And now I'm just gonna open the camera app and scan the QR code. It'll display the link. And now I have this app, so let's go. Okay. Wireless. Then I'm gonna accept the connection. And now it's starting the transfer scanning. And you can select what to transfer, either everything, just accounts, calls, contacts and messages, or custom. I'm gonna select just that because it'll take a bit shorter, but if you want you can just transfer everything. Then click on next and it'll start doing it. Make sure to not turn off screen on both of these devices. And now here I'm gonna click on done and I can leave the Smart Switch, and here I'm gonna go to the home screen, and now my data has been transferred, of course the data that I have selected. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.